Evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Guys, I've got a cold. I know I sound bad. This is to bear with me. Talking through my nose. I've got a 600HD-HG sideband bias repair review. You had one transistor blowed in it, and I pulled both them out, checked them. One of them was good, one was blowed. I put one back in there and put that one back in there. Went there and changed your resistors on your merry-go-round. Changed all your 10 ohms. Upgraded your power wire to 8 gauge OFC wire like you wanted. There's over 20 inches there, sky high. And went through everything, changed that one transistor and fired him up, and he's working. Now here's the thing. Everything looks good, but if you blow another transistor, we'll probably have to put 6 in it. Might run forever, and it might not. Chance you take. Anymore, if it just blows one, I'll change it. But if you got more than one blowed, I don't. I'm usually make you change them all. So, but usually when you blow one, I'll change it and try to save you some money. So, she's all working. I beat on her and beat on her and beat on her, trying to make sure. Alrighty, guys, we'll start out looking at her straight through SWR like we do it. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. Well, hit the right switch here. Okay, hit the right switch. Quit hitting the sideband switch. It ain't gonna come on and turn the sideband on all you want to. Look at our input SWR. Hello, worldwide, radio drive. Let it calm down. 1, 2, 3, radio drive. 14.8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get on down, radio drive. 730 and some change. Worldwide. We're going to hit our driver. The decky's going to be low because I didn't set it. Hello, driver. 1, 2, 3, driver. 1, 2, 3, driver. 1, 2, 3, driver. As you see, she's hanging in there pretty good. Go over here on our colossal outdoor dummy load. Radio drive. Hello, radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, it's alive. 690 and some change. Turn on our driver. Hello, driver. 1262 and some change. Driver. 1262 and some change. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there she is, bud. She's all up, ready to go for you. I'll get with you and let you know. Like I said, you blowed one transistor. Could be decky antenna. Could be fluke. Who knows? Alrighty, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care of your friend in 10. 018 Beavis. Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.